Well, taking a new what that aircraft was this time. So as you can see, that was the, well, what's it called anyway? So as you can see, that was the Eurocopter AS.355, that was F2 squirrel, twin squirrel, that was. As you can see, this is the one that's operated by PDG helicopters. So as you can see, the registration is G-NTWK, that is. This is the one that we basically see though. If I go to ADXB, should be on there. There he is. There's the helicopter we're talking about here. So as you can see, that was the Aerospatiale SA.355-F2, that is. This is the one that's operated by the Ecureuil helicopter. And as you can see, the registration, like I said, is G-NTWK, that is. But as you can see from here, this is where it just been taken off at Newquay Airport. Well, it's obviously it took off at Newquay Airport since 5:20. It did. I think this is where it might have took off from at Cornwall Airport, Newquay. And I think because Planefighter's got a better route than ADXB. Let's have a look where it's come from. This is where it started over from, just near West Markham by the looks of it, and nearer to Taunton, Somerset. So, and I bet it should be on bloody adverts. It should be on Fly Radar as well. There he is. There he is, look. He's on Fly Radar as well, Fly Radar 24. And as you can see, that is operated by PIM Dollar Group, that is, and that's Airbus Helicopters AS.355-F2, that is. The same registration, G-NTWK, that is. So yeah, this is the helicopter that we sometimes see over here, you know, and with the call sign here is PDG63, that is. But as you can see from here to start with, he was about 13,000 feet, and then he just turned around as he was and 10,000 feet, and then he dropped as he was at 900 feet, and then he kind of just dropped at just under 600 feet, and then he just dropped at 400 feet, and then 200 feet. It's just, as you can see now, it's now over towards past that Portsmouth, just now 150,000 feet by the looks of it. Okay, so yep, that was the civil helicopter we've just seen apparently, which is the Ecureuil one. But usually we do see the PIM Dollar Group, but luckily that's not there today. But it's the Ecureuil helicopter, it's the Ecureuil one we've seen today. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching, bye bye.